Hi everybody and welcome back to another T-Blossom video. Thank you for giving me 29 likes on my Emo Girl Sneaks Out video. I'm sorry for doing part 1s and part 2. This one is going to be just one video. Please like and subscribe this, and thank you for 57 subscribers. Like this video or subscribe. Either way, it would help. And yeah, thank you guys so much for doing this. Anyway, let's get started into the video. Oh yeah, and excuse me. And it is called what's it called again? Screen Day. Sorry. This game's so boring. I keep losing anyway. Ugh. Like, I don't even like this. Sis. Oh, wow, we both got to each other. Well, anyway, isn't it so boring? Yeah, I know, right? Let's see if there's anything fun to do downstairs. Yeah, it's super boring up here. It's a pretty nice day. I know, right? Let's go. Seriously? Hello? Yeah, is anyone gonna answer us? Oh, hi, guys. Oh, come on, mine's working. Ugh. Mom, you got any fun things to do? Oh, yeah, Emily, can you go pass me, some coffee? My name is not Emily. I mean, I actually forget what these people's names are. Anyway. I don't even know how to make coffee. Cool. Okay, enough screen time. Nope. 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 You guys have been on screens forever. You guys need to get off it and do something. Oops. Oh wow, that's actually fun. Yeah. Fine. Besides, I wasn't just on the screen. Okay, yeah, maybe I was. But look. Blueberries mixed up with eggs equals that. So I can make some for us. Also, guys, I was gonna pause this like I did with the elevator to get some blueberries, but actually I don't need to because you'll see why. Okay, so we're just gonna put it right there. I guess I'll maybe you two can clean the house. Oh yeah, I have a good idea. Let's clean the house. Smacks in the face. Let's go. Okay. I'll scrub the mirrors and wash everything. And I will look at my phone. Never mind. And I'll turn on the fan. I guess I'll wash the dishes. Let's see. And I can help make some food. Nope, I'm making the food. You can, why don't you, oh, that's a pretty hard challenge. Why don't you, take all the animals for a walk and then, they might poop and stuff. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a lot. Okay, so first, let me open the fridge. Put down the comments down below. I don't think you can, but if you can, then do it, please and thank you. But put down in the comments if you like the fridge. I got it off of a lot of people, and thank you guys for your inspiration. It's making me very inspired. Anyway, I need to grab an egg. And here comes the part where the blueberries are. And she looks so cool doing it. Anyway, I'm gonna need a basket. And then I'm going to need to water this. Is this blueberries? Nope. It's this. See, some blueberry of these. So I don't need to go buy some blueberries. Some blueberries. One more. Here we go. Now it's time to make. Okay, gotta scrub. What are you guys doing there? You're the one who told us to do something, so you're supposed to do too. We wasn't on screens like you guys. Look over there. Huh? What? Oh, nothing. What happened to the electricities? I don't know what you're talking about. Bye. Let's go get in a tub. Yeah. Wait, we gotta get changed. Where's our clothes? No. Oh. Oh. Clothes. Okay, there we go. Where are they? Oh, yeah. Let's get in the tub. Got to this, got to that. It's right here. And we get to have a party. Party, 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 party. Watch this, everybody. Boom. Oh, wait, sorry. Boom. Party, 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 party. Okay, now I'm going to do this, do that. Put the fruit basket right there. I'm gonna get this. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to need a dish. Oh, we don't got no dishes, do we? Well, I guess I'm just gonna have to use this basket for now. But pretend that she cleaned. Oh wait, never mind. Honey, can you clean the basket? There you go. Thank you. Now watch this. This is gonna be my favorite part. And ta-da! It looks kind of burnt, but only because it cooked a little bit too much. Okay. Now I'm actually going to leave it in the fridge for now, just to like cool down a little bit. And now I think we might have some pasta. Or we can have some pizza. I want all of us to have the same thing though, but I might have. Yeah, I think I got an idea. Okay, so I'm gonna add this with this. See you guys in 2 seconds. Flip, and I'll show you the food at the table. And ta-da! Couldn't find no plates or bowls, so this is what it looks like. Yeah. Everyone, time to come eat! Okay, finally I'm finished. Oh yeah, you're not finished yet. You still gotta do upstairs. Her face zoomed in. Just gonna sit down. Come on, everybody, come in. You guys are still wearing those? Oh, yeah, it's called being nice. I was like, go ahead, I'm gonna touch that. No. Okay, and let's eat. Thank you guys for this day and this food. And in the name of your Cheyenne God we pray. Amen. Okay, let's dig in. Nom, 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 nom. Okay, let me go get the cake. Got the cake. Nom, no, wait. Nom, 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 nom. Lights out. That tasted delicious. Let me just go put this back. At least we're not on electricity somewhere. I want to go back on. Nuh-uh. I have an idea. Everyone, go pack up your swim outfits. Okay? Also, kids, bring up your clothes. Nobody wants to see you wearing that. Okay. And later, make sure you kids, like, clean up the bathroom because, like, you got everything messed around and stuff. Okay. Oh yeah, don't waste electricity. Okay, we are here. Why do I even gotta carry you? Welcome back to my teenager rub. Oh yeah, I added some new stuff, including my animal, some stuffies, and yeah, like it. Okay, Piggy, I have to go out. Okay, see you in 2 months. Not joking. Go back. Okay. So first I need some perfume. I mean, like, why am I going out like this? I'm gonna need this. See, am I wearing? No. This one. Beauty. You like how my clothes are set up? Okay. Now I'm going to need to do this. Then this. I might need to bring... What? I might need to bring this. Just in case. Where's my bag? Yeah, I'm gonna remake a... Where's my bag, though? I have this. Why do I even have that in my drawer? Oh. I never had it in my drawer. Well, either way. Where's my bag? Oh. Alright, it's downstairs. Oh my gosh. I don't want to go all the way downstairs. Okay, I'll just carry my stuff down then. So I'm going to need to... What the... This. Okay, gonna need this. Maybe this color both these because, like, special occasion. There we go. Like, yeah, let's slay. Okay, like. Okay, so first I'm gonna give me a bag, camera, bathing suits. Do you have one, sis? Okay, I think this one's yours. And we can bring this. And an extra one. And we can bring our matching suits. Where's yours? Oh, it's okay. Well, we can't be going out like this. No! Wait. I have koala. Well, you have Easter Bunny outfit. Sure, but I'll just put it in here for now, though. I'm wearing this. And I'm wearing this. That was in front of me. And I'm wearing this, just in case. And my toy and 2 drinks for us. 1 for sis, and this can be shared by mom and dad. Okay, we're all ready. Oh, wait. Just in case. But remember the last time when the thing made our skins, like, like itchy and stuff? Yeah, but, like, it's okay. Okay. Also, I might bring these. One day I'm gonna go. But it's not that day. It's not this day. Okay, let's go get our stuff ready. So let's just speed it up. And there we are. We are finished. Finally. You guys coming? Okay, so I used to have a wallet, but like now I don't got it. But I just found this and in my mom's room. Pretend I didn't though, and pretend I already had it. And yeah. So I'm just gonna bring it with me. Okay. I think that's it. No, it ain't. Yeah, though I think that's it. No, I better go. But before I do, I'm gonna bring some of this skincare. And then, yeah. So, let's all go. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, this takes forever. Like, yeah. Okay. And now I won't delete no items. Okay, anyway, yeah. Let's go. Wait! My bag. Wait, just saying, guys, I wasn't dying. It's just my bag. Oh, wait. This. I know I bring extras, but remember the last time where everyone thought I brought extras? But it was actually needed, so, like... Hi, sorry. Like, is there anything else, like... Okay, I'm gonna bring my extra supply. It's like this. Whoa! Brush teeth. Look closely. A pin so I can poke through something, or like if I'm locked out of the door. Another tweezer, pencil, like cutting scissors, and then yeah. So no, I opened my chocolate bar. That's okay. Let's all go. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, don't forget, honey, that you still gotta do the animal thing. Yeah, I know. Even though I don't want to get my hands dirty. Okay, now we are here, finally. Oops. I look gorgeous, you mom's glasses. Okay, honey, can you grab out the wallet? What wallet? I thought you had the wallet in your pocket. I don't have no pockets in this. Uh-oh. Sorry, kids, but we can't go. Oh, that's too bad because I got a wallet. Yes, I told my fans, which you guys are, aren't you? Anyway, I told my fans that, like, not to tell you guys that I was going to bring an extra wallet, but I did. And so you guys actually do get to count on me. This one. That doesn't work. It literally just went in. I know, but that doesn't work. It's for the spas, honey. Okay. I'm going to make cash. I'm going to pay the debit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For me, Mom, Dad, and my 2 annoying sisters. Thank you. But yeah, 1 ticket. We already got a ticket before, but let's go. Guys, come on. Sis, like siblings, like let's go. Okay, now let's all get... Well, I'm already changed, actually, so... Okay, we get it. You're the most popular girl. Okay, we're just gonna go fast mode. Bruh. And... we're finished. We're putting some of this. You guys might need it too, because you guys are like, way you just need it, okay? Like, okay. Do we seriously have to do this one? Okay, fine. Can you watch our stuff? Thanks. I mean, sorry, can you watch our stuff? Mm-hmm. A lot of people say it to me, so I'm used to it, so you could say that to me. Oh, okay. Move, guys. Going in here. Okay. Do. No. Let me see that big weight. Honey, are you sure? Yes, I got this. Falls on her toes. Ow! My toes. It's okay. I know. Okay, let's switch. This one better. I'll give you the small one, and I'll take this one, and after we'll switch. You want to do a prank on sis? Yeah, let's go. Let's turn the heat up. Guys, what are you doing? What are you guys doing? She's just faking. What if she isn't? No, we can't get her out of there. Mom, Dad, quickly, sis is in trouble. That's just another prank again. No, we're actually not joking. Just in case. Make sure you don't drop it on your feet. I don't care. Get out of the here. Get out of there. Ah, that's cold. Oh, but it feels super good. Ah! What's going on? Are you guys mad at me? No. Some two people that are way more. Why did you do that? I almost lost your big sister. It's okay, Mom. Go easy on them. They were just trying to do a prank. I know that it was a big deal, but, like, it's okay. Okay, let's just all be happy that you're alive. Ah! Okay, let's never do that again. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to the next level. We're here, part 2 of the thingamabob. Okay, let's put. Before we do that, let's split into groups. Let's put all of our stuff right here. Let's split into groups. Okay, so 2 people play over here, 3 people play over there. You can switch. This is the kids aisle, so you 2 play in the kids. Well, we go play in the big part of town. 1, 2, 3. Nope. We got pets behind us, except Mom. Sorry. 1, 2. Oh wait. I need show me some Woo! That was so much fun. Yeah! Come on. Let's do another prank. No, remember last time this was like this. Okay. Like, she's fine. I also feel not nervous because, like, let's go potty. Come on. Ah! This. Ah! Ah! It's biting me! Oh no! Huh? What's that sound? Oh no! Here we go. Mostly like. Here we go. Oh, are you actually okay though? Ah, what's wrong? What's wrong? He's biting me! Ah! Okay. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine, but my arm, it's hurting. Okay, I'm not actually, but like, my arm is hurting. Okay, sorry guys, but we have to end this video. See you, like, it's not like a part 1, part 2. It's like, see you next time. Yeah, see you next time. Yeah, sorry. Bye.